everyone. Today I am also describe electric dipole at equatorial position. In the given figure, we observe that an electric dipole is placed in equatorial position. The distance of the particle from their center O2 at the point AB, OA and OB is smaller and smaller. And observe the point from P, the distance from O to P is given smaller. Now the electric field strength vector E is equal to vector E1 cos theta plus vector E2 cos theta. Equation 1. We observe that a triangle is formed because OP is bisecting two equal parts. Therefore, we take a triangle OPB. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Therefore, value L upon root R square. Equation. We put the value of cos theta from equation second to equation first. We put the value of cos theta from second to first and we find a new equation. Vector E is equal to E1 L upon root R square L square plus E2 into L upon root R square L square. When we put the value in the relation equation first, the new relation is formed. Vector E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square, that is the value of E1 and E2. And the value of cos theta, we know that L upon root R square plus L. And for E2, Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square into L upon root R square L square. We take the common value Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square and we take the common value and the total sum is 2L root R square L square. We can written in that form. Now the new relation is stabilized that Q into 2L upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square into R square L square 1 by 2. The new relation is formed. Q into 2L, we know that dipole P is equal to Q2. Therefore, P upon 4 pi epsilon naught, the value R square plus L square 1 and R square plus L square 1 by 2. Therefore, new relation is formed R square L square 3 by 2. Now the relation is formed. Vector E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square into 3 by 2 plus l square into 3 by 2. 2 is cancelled from 2 and the relation is that P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube plus l cube. The value of r cube is more greater than l cube, therefore it will be neglected. Now the vector E, electric field strength. Vector E is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r power. That is the relation for electric field strength for equatorial position. Okay, goodbye.